Hey guys, I'm Joey. Welcome back to Over the Table's Random Reviews. If you're not subscribed to the channel, I'm telling you, make sure you subscribe. Click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos because video 100 is coming up so soon, guys, and you really don't want to miss out on it. It's going to be absolutely amazing. Quite a majestic video. Guaranteed, guys, you don't want to miss out on that. Now, today's product, what we've got is a product for less than $5, people. Less than $5. I've seen advertisements for it on Facebook and whatnot, and watching those advertisements, it looked really cool. It's basically a spring-loaded type cane deal. Not sure exactly how it works, how it reloads or anything like that, but we're gonna find out. So let's open this thing up and take a look. Alright guys, let's go ahead and use our $1 keychain key knife to open this package up. Alright guys, so as you can see, it is protected in another box that was in that bag. So let's go ahead and take that out. And now it's in another bag. So we unbagged a bag. We unbagged a bag. So we unboxed a bag to unbox a box to unbox another bag. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and take it out of there. Oh shoot. Holy crap. That just scared the crap. Oh lord. Oh goodness. Let me just give me a second, guys. Come on, buddy. Not trying to have you kill anyone yet. Come on. All right, guys. So it comes in a very dangerous way. I'm really trying to get this thing to a point where it can not spring out on us yet. And as you can see in here, it looks like this part will fold over, which will keep it from springing out. So let's see if we can close this thing up. Alright guys, so I'm not sure how I did it, but once you get this thing into place and you turn this thing at an angle, it locks it into place. And as you can see, this thing could definitely fit in your pocket or wherever you'd like to store it. It's really portable. It's insanely portable. It has a decent amount of weight to it, guys. It's definitely a hefty product. It is made of metal, in case you guys were wondering. A pretty strong metal as well. Definitely seems like it's high quality. Again, this is less than $5 on eBay. Really cheap product. I'll put that link in the description if you guys want to get your own version. It might come in different colors, like maybe a black version and whatnot, but I'm not exactly 100% sure. So if you guys want to check it out, you can always click on that link. So let's go ahead and give ourselves a better angle, open this thing up, get it ready to go, and see what kind of power it has. Alright guys, to check out how this product works, what I'm first going to do is I'm going to throw some gloves on here because I've read some reviews on it that have stated that since it is metal, it is sharp on the edges and could slice up your hands. So we're going to wear some utility gloves here so we don't mess up our hands. So we've got our gloves on. Let's go ahead and take our product here. Oh, yep. So we adjusted it, guys. Then you've got your handheld thing. We're going to go and throw it up and see if it springs out and really turns into a cane. You see how fast that just happened, guys? Oh my goodness. Wow. And this thing's pretty strong, guys. As you can see, this is my attempt to bend it. Very strong all the way throughout because it is made of metal. Holy crap. Look at this thing, guys. It's straight for sure. You could definitely like spring this thing out, whack someone with it if you really wanted to. Guys, this thing's insane. Like, the fact that it just sprung out that quick, you could pull it out of your pocket, get that thing set, and just, you've got yourself a cane. It's insane, guys. Holy crap. And I love the little knob on the end here, because that's also made of metal, nice and sturdy. It may do some damage, you never know. And that rattling, in case you're wondering, is that little pin that holds it in place as a safety when you don't want it to spring out. So it's nothing that's wrong with the product, it's just moving around on the inside and the top. It does spring back into place, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to reset it in case that's what you need to learn. So we're going to go ahead and do a little bit of wiggling here, get this thing going. Wiggle, wiggle here, and it'll work its way down. It does take a decent amount of strength, guys, so if you're not strong, find someone who is. Alright, and then you want to push it through until this pin is out here. Once you have it out here, guys, you want to make sure you get that pin and you push it through. Oh, no. Oh, still learning this product, guys. Want to make sure it's as easy as possible for you. It's a little harder with gloves. Aha! So you want to pull this thing through until that locks into place. That's how it works. So you push it through till you get this bottom part of that metal piece to clear the end, and then you push this pin all the way through because there's a hole on the other side, and once you get that through, this is locked into place. You don't have to worry about it springing out, and it's not going to without you wanting it to. So again, to make it work, you just push it forward a little bit, the pin kind of plops out of place, you move it around, and then again, you got this thing in your pocket, you move that pin out, and you just... I just stabbed myself in the stomach. Anyway, it's a dangerous product for sure. I would definitely advise throwing it up sideways so that way you're not throwing it up like this and it's springing back at your stomach. But as a little discreet baton or cane thing that's going on, to just be able to pull it out and you've got it going, and I mean, you'll definitely impress people with this, guys. It is an absolutely crazy product and it actually works really well. I'm very impressed with it. So let's go ahead and give you guys a slow motion idea of what it looks like when it springs out. There it is, guys. Absolutely insane. Okay guys, so as you can see, this product turns out to be absolutely insane. The amount of power it has in its springing action is actually crazy, and I would definitely recommend being safe with it because it did stab me in the stomach earlier. It didn't exactly hurt, but it could have if I did it wrong. So just make sure you're careful. Don't want to cut your hands open, although I haven't yet, so I'm not exactly sure where people get that review from. But it's a great product nonetheless. Remember, if you want to get it, I'll put the link in the description. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for lots of future videos, the giveaway, or the 100th video. It's going to be amazing, guys. I promise you don't want to miss out. Have a great day, everybody, and don't get shot.